Hello everyone, welcome back to this brand video. Today we're going to talk about how to install iOS 15.4 beta 2 on your iPhone and iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, let me show here. I have here the update for the iOS 15.3 here. Here it is. So how to get iOS 15.4 beta 2. So just go back and here open up Safari and then here search for the betaprofiles.com. Here search for this, just wait and then scroll it down here and here is the iOS 15.4 beta 2. So tap here on install profile and now tap here on install anyways and now tap here on allow and close it and then go back and open up here settings app and then here is the profile downloaded. So tap on this and tap here on install, give here your passcode, again tap here on install, tap on install again and tap on not now, tap on done and now go back and let me show you again here in the software update. So here you can see iOS 15.4 developer beta 2. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.